The National Association of Latino elected and appointed officials came out with its forecast today for voter turnout. It's predicting that as many as 7.8 million Latino voters could go to the polls across the U.S. And Naleo said it expects turnout to be strong in Arizona as well. Charlene Santiago in our Washington bureau has more on the report.
Naleo says as many as 486 Latinos will likely turn out in Arizona, a number they say could be much higher if Latinos in the state didn't continue to face obstacles in registering and voting.
We can't just sit by and watch while elections happen without doing all we can to ensure Latinos participate and make their voices fully heard.
More Latinos are expected to vote this year in Arizona than in the last midterms in 2014, as many as 13% more. But Naleo estimates that 80,000 eligible Latino voters in the state could be affected by voter ID laws.
This map presents the number of Latinos in each of these states that could be affected by these voter ID laws.
For those who are registered and ready to vote, however, there's another problem. They're being ignored by candidates.
So we're not seeing investment in the Latino electorate overall.
When it comes to campaign voter engagement, more than half of Latinos nationwide told Naleo that they have not been contacted by a candidate for this election.
The numbers don't lie. If 53% of Latino registered voters consistently, week after week after week after week after week, tell us that no one's talking to them, then something isn't happening.
But not every campaign agrees. National Democrats insist they are working closely with local campaigns to increase Latino engagement.
Our focus has been to invest in the grassroots efforts that are being done by the state parties, and we've done so in this election cycle, and I think we'll continue to do so moving forward.
And Vargas says there are plenty of issues that Latino voters are energized about if politicians will listen.
In terms of what more outreach means, it means hard work. It means knocking on doors. It means calling people. It means engaging them. It means listening to Latino voters and not assume that you know exactly what's on their minds.
Naleo says while immigration continues to be a top priority for this electorate, it's not the only one. Some of the other issues Latinos are looking to address include improving wages, creating more jobs, and lowering health care. In Washington, Charlene Santiago, Cronkite News.